What's up, everybody? My name is Dwayna, aka Glamazon1026, and welcome to the Glam Room. Today we are going to be reviewing some hair that I was sent from Grace Fantasy Hair. I was sent a set of kinky straight clip-ins from Grace Fantasy Hair, and I'm going to be reviewing them for you today. So if you guys want to see that, stay tuned. So we're going to be reviewing the clip-ins that I got from Grace Fantasy Hair. I was contacted via Instagram about testing out some kinky straight clip-ins for them. I was a little nervous because I've heard, we hear a lot of horror stories, but the person that was speaking with me was very kind. They were very understanding. They answered all my questions. They were very straightforward. So I said, okay, yeah, I would love to test your kinky straight clip-ins. I was contacted about it, I believe, the 1st or 2nd of December. It was sent out either Monday or Tuesday, which was the 2nd or the 3rd, and then I received them on Thursday, the 5th of December. So I have them here. It just came in an Amazon Prime bag. And then once you got inside the bag, they came in just this long, white mailer. Inside that, we had a little card about how to measure your hair and a little, welcome, thank you, blah, 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 whatever, one of those cards. And then we have the actual hair. Now I got the 16-inch clip-ins. They're Yaki. It says that they're Yaki, but virgin coarse clip-ins. They come with 7 clips and they are 120 grams. I only got 1 clip-ins. They told me that they would send me 1 for free, which, I get it. They're not just, throwing hair away, blah, 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 whatever, right? But I was like, oh my gosh, my hair is really thick. So once I saw it, I was like, it's going to probably be really thin once I add it to all of my hair. We have a 4 clip right here. We have 2 3 clips, 2 2 clips, and 2 1 clips. So that will be really, this is gonna be real interesting. I don't know what's gonna happen. We're gonna try our best to give you a good review today. Now, I'm going to put the clips in so that you can see what it looks like in my hair and see how easy it is to install. Then I'll probably do a style or something. I probably won't wear it out because I feel like it would be disingenuous for me to put 1 pack of clip-ins in my hair and then it will look stringy and crazy and then you guys be like, oh, that's ugly, that's nasty. I don't think that that's something that, I don't think that that would be a good representation of the hair. So I'm gonna try and do something cute with this so you guys can see a little bit how it moves, how it does. And if we like it, then I'll go and purchase another set of these clip-ins so that I could actually do a full head of clip-ins. That would be interesting because I don't wear my hair out at all. So let's get this started. So I didn't flat iron my hair super straight. I just wanted it to be able to blend at least a little bit with these. These are in the natural 1 color. Actually, oh, we might do it. We ain't really. Let's just see what's happening. Okay, so. All right, so first I'm gonna take a 3. I'm gonna do the 3. Get them all out. I want some curly clip-ins. That would have been dope. Also, my hair was just cut, so it's really blunt right now. So that will also be interesting when we get all of this done. All right, so that's the first one. Let's do another one. Okay. All right, so we have a mullet, right? We have a mullet, and we knew that that was gonna happen because I have a lot of hair. So right now, all of the clip-ins are in my hair. I'm gonna brush them together. Right? It looks bad. It looks very, very thin. But we knew that that was what's gonna be, what was gonna happen coming into it. Okay, so far here are some pluses. The hair is really soft. there is no smell, and they are really easy to put in. My big issue with a lot of clip-ins is I feel like they're going to slip out of my hair. I think it's just because the combs that they use are actually good, and they're actually not pulling my hair, because that's a problem that I've had with clip-ins before as well. The comb would like pull my hair out because it would be like, it wouldn't be a coated comb basically, and so these are coated and they don't, like, I don't feel them digging into my scalp or anything. So I was gonna take a picture of this for you so that you guys could see like what it looked like, but I don't think that that's necessary because it looks a mess, so we're not gonna do that. Okay, we're just gonna find something cute to do with this so that you guys can be like, oh yeah, that's cute, that's cute, that's cute, blah blah, whatever. Okay, all right, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. All the clip-ins are out of my head, so I'm going to go through and I'm going to put all of the clip-ins in the back of my head, and then we're going to put these in two little bangs and see if that is cute enough for us to get away with wearing one set of clip-ins in my hair. Okay, here we go. So, okay, so it's, my hair is reverting because that's what it does. But I think this is kind of cute until my hair decides to all the way revert. Even, and you know what, I'm looking at it, and even with 7 clips just in the back, I still feel like I need more because my hair is so thick. Let's see if we could do one more, just, you know. All right, guys, so I'm finished installing the clip-ins. I made 2 little styles out of it, and we're going to just kind of give you a wrap-up on what I think about the Grace Fantasy Hair Kinky Straight clip-ins that are 16 inches. So if you are 4C, I believe it depends on how much work you put into your 4C hair. Like if you go to the salon or you straighten your hair at home and you wear it mostly straight, then I think this is perfect for you. For somebody like me who doesn't straighten their hair unless they go to the salon, I think that this would be a great way to extend my salon visit because my hair reverts fairly quickly. So if I was going to wear my hair like in a bun or like in a ponytail to extend that straightening that I get at the salon, this would be perfect because I could put them in my hair, I can make it fuller. It is easier to get up into like a sloppy bun or a sloppy ponytail like we have right here and actually look cute, you know. So I think that this would be perfect for that. If you don't manipulate your hair a lot, obviously we wouldn't want to get these kinky straight clip-ins because they're not gonna blend with your hair. It took a little bit for me to get this blended with my hair as much as it did. It was very difficult because, like I said, I literally got my hair cut last week, so the ends are really, really blunt. So that's why like this part over here just kept peeking out. I think if I wanted to actually wear it out, I would just braid it up and then put the clip-ins over the braids, and that way we'll have some, you know, and just put like a thin layer of hair on the top, and that way it'll be all the clip-ins in the back and like very, very, very little bit of my hair out. I also think that if you're going to get these clip-ins, you're going to need more than one set of them I think I might even, like, I feel like I'm going to need 3 sets of these clip-ins if I were to wear them out as my hair. I just honestly, and I think it's probably because I have such thick hair, I don't like looking at thin hair, and so I would need probably another 2.5, another 1.5 to make this as thick as I'd want it to if I were going to wear it out. Other than that, I'm really enjoying this. I thought it was fun to like kind of experiment. I liked how I looked with longer hair, like longer straight hair that wasn't a wig, and so I'm going to, this might be an avenue that I, explore a little bit more often. I might even get some curly clip-ins so that I could test those out and see how that works. I'm going to leave the link for the hair and the website and their Amazon store down below, so that if you guys wanted to purchase this hair, it'll be available for you. You won't have to go searching for it. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up down below. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. I'm at like 923 or 925 or something like that, so we're pretty close to 1,000, and that is my goal for Christmas Day. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell so that you guys can be a part of the Glam Fam and know exactly when I upload. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Glamazon1026, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.